This is a quick tutorial to show you the Illustrator plugins from Graphicxtras. Now it should be noted that plugins will only work for CS5, CS4, CS3, etc. and will not work for CC. Work for PC and Mac though. Right, first thing to do, I'm just going to quickly show you a few examples of what you can do with the plugins. And also, of course, I'm just going to quickly create a path, and then you'll actually see the plugins. Just go over here to the Objects menu and Filters, and just select the plugin there. You can see just go down the menu, whole range of different like background designs, creation of circle designs, pyramid effects, and so on and so on. So there's a whole range of different effects. Now, also you can find some also in Toolbar. So you just go over Toolbar, just see a range of options there, like a multi sort of effect thing. First one I want to quickly show you the zigzag. So there's a zigzag tool there. You can just basically just select the tool in Toolbar and then just drag. And you can of course go with default settings. Obviously that's set there. You've got the fill set as orange and stroke as black. You can set it to anything else. There's a whole range of different settings you can set via the panel. There's a whole range along the top. You can see go along there. And you can also use like presets to actually quickly create a new design. One's like a gradient fill. So other options, there's actually thousands, millions of options in each of the plugins. So there's presets, which you can of course start to understand how to use a tool, and then just simply drag and create. Sometimes they're not so great, sometimes they are, and you can use them in different ways, obviously in different layers and so on and so on. So that's just quickly showing you the toolbar. You can also change the colour, of course. The actual paths that are created are actually just standard paths, so you can just change them if you want. You can go obviously make them, break them apart and do much more. But in this case, I'm just going to quickly demonstrate one of the panel dialogue plugins. So also you can, well that one there, I'm just going to quickly show you, yeah, the multi-tool. So that's the multi-tool. That's another one of the toolbars. But there's, like I say, other plugins as well which are available, like I say, Objects menu. Right, so simply there's a lot of functions within that panel. Right down the bottom there's options for creating rows, grids, maybe filling the whole document and that sort of thing. And you can just drag that, change, like make it random colours, maybe change the size, change the angle, and so on and so on. There's a whole vast range of things you can generate very, very quickly using the tools. So just there, just drag and drag. And this, in this case, I'm just going to show you the gradient tool. And this is one of the object menu ones. So just go there, it's a gradient effect. And it just basically sort of randomizes or modifies gradients. So you can just see here, in this case, it's an average one. So it's sort of grayscale, those sort of things. But there's a whole range of other color ones. You can also just select, there's a whole range of different sort of options within that. And you can also click tumble, which sort of randomizes all the settings. So you can just literally go through thousands of different sort of color effects very simply just by clicking that. You can also shuffle some of the settings as well. Just obviously you don't have to randomize them completely. So you can see the angle of the gradient can be changed, randomized. And of course you might have hundreds and hundreds of images on the screen and you can randomize them all to pass on the screen. So that's a really great tool. I say there's lots of other tools as well that come. Here's another one of the toolbar ones. This is sort of like a drag feature, so you can actually stretch and modify and distort. There's literally thousands of ways to distort the path. So you can, say, lots of different randomization features. You can drag that out, pull that out, stretch it in different ways, really distort. What it does, it modifies the points and the segments and also the anchor points. So that's basically what it does. So you can create millions of different paths, which can of course then be used within the rest of the application. And that's just a fairly quick run through of some of those. Now, contour, that's it, another one of the, you can just, it's a contour effect. There's more of a sort of just duplication of paths, overlapping, but you can literally create thousands of different sort of contour-like effects using this tool. You can modify the number, obviously the number of copies, change the actual sort of separation, how many times, and also lots of other effects there. You can see, again, click the tumble so you can just see the result of those. And you can create some very abstract designs. If you don't like it, just quickly click cancel and that's it. You can see, sometimes it just goes massive design and then just basically that's it. So that's a quick run through of all the Illustrator plugins on Graphicxtras. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.